contrasty, and the amount of people that say it's raining, I'm not going out. But it's some of the best pictures you're ever going to get. That it is really, really slippy in here. I've nearly been on my arse twice now. So, welcome back to the vlog. We're at Padley Gorge this week. Hello everyone. So it is raining. I haven't got my hood up because it's too hot. But this is what I wanted to do, a vlog in the rain, just to show everyone the amount of people that say it's raining, I'm not going out. But it's some of the best pictures you're ever going to get because it's wet. So all the leaves, the bark, everything's contrasty and wet, rich in colour. And now that it's autumn as well, and we're getting a little bit of orange in the leaves, it's perfect. So there's no real bad time to go out and take pictures. So my basic kit for rain photography, if you like to call that, is the shower cap, the golfing umbrella, and the rain cover for your bag. And basically that's it. I've got a shower cap over the vlogging camera now because the Canon M50's garbage in the rain, so that's it. Yeah. Padley Gorge as well has got these neat little tunnels that you can get in when it's raining, so I'm going to get in one of them now and take a shot looking out at all the rocks and the falls here, and then we'll make our way up, look at some other falls, get the brolly up above us, and then I'm going to climb and do some tree shots because that's always a good one to do in the rain. If you get into the trees where there's a canopy above you, well, you're golden, aren't you? You can shoot all day. So we'll do that, get the telephoto on, get some zoom shots in. But first of all, I'll get into this tunnel and we'll crack on with that. Now, one of the major problems with this is that it is really, really slippy in here. I've nearly been on my arse twice now. So, just going to gradually work my way back to the camera. Set it up in the middle and I'm shooting out. On 2 seconds, ISO 100, F11. And I'll put that shot on the screen now for you. I'll put the shot on the screen now for you. I've just composed the scene. I've got the long lens on 80 to 200 now. Been using the brolly just to cover the lens. It has got the hood on, so but this is like a typical Padley Gorge shot, the trees and the boulders. So I'm just taking this now. I'm on a second exposure, ISO 100 f9, no filters, not even a polarizer yet because there's no sheen on the rocks or anything. So I'm going to head down to the river in a minute, but I'm going to get this shot. I'll show you what I'm looking at on screen. So we'll take this shot now and I'll put the finished results on for you. So the rain has actually stopped. I found some amazing little cascades here. I wouldn't say the waterfalls, but they are little cascades, one either side with a rock in the middle and then the bridge in the background. This just looks beautiful as a shot. So lush and green, because it's been raining, it just looks amazing. And this is like the shot of today, I think. So I'm taking this in portrait, vertical, just to get more of a sweep through. I have took a landscape version, so I put 2 or 3 images up, and you can tell me in the comments which one you like the best. Personally, I like the vertical one, but let me know in the comments. I am at a second exposure, ISO 100 f9, no filters whatsoever. There's no sheen on the water for some reason, well, because there's no light basically. So there's no sheen, it's dark enough to not have any filters and still get a long exposure. It's just heaven at the minute, love it. There's dead fall either side, which I've got in the landscape orientation. It's just sweet. So after this we'll move on up into the woods and try and get some gnarly trees. So this is the scene I'm looking at, but I'm going to do it in vertical composition. I'm just going to basically focus down the top of this wall, going into the distance with the trees and the light in the background. So I'll set that up now and we'll put it on the screen and see what it looks like. So if you've liked today's video, can you give it a thumbs up, give me a comment and give it a share if you will. If you haven't subscribed already, then please do, helps the channel to grow. So I'm going to leave now. I'll show you some B-roll on the way out, and until next week, take care.